Thank you, excellent. The next one I'm going to introduce to you is 726247. Yes, as the same with previous one, it's made of ABS and it's white, equipped with black pads made of rubber. Yes. This one is similar to the before one, but this one the main body is bigger, and this one uses the same as this, and this one is good for UK and European market. And the outlet is 40. Also, we have another option. The option that the outlet is 50mm. So this one is something like this. And the top cover can be ABS completed. Also can be like this one is ABS, but with stainless steel cover. So this one we have two options, and whatever you want, you like, we can do for you. Okay, so let's introduce the next one. Is also pop-up frozen. The service of this pad is to some polish treatment, as you can see. Just like a mirror. Yes. If you want turning on, you just press like this. Then frozen can work. The water will flow into this outlet through this gap. And the cover is removable. You just can remove it by span like this. Then you can see there is a filter screen and the seal is in the middle. Yes, the panel of this stainless panel is installed by two screws. Yes, you can just use the wrench to tighten it. Very good. Yeah, it's true. Like the material can be SS304 or SS201. So it's a upon requirement. We can do like even the size. This one 150, and we have the smaller one and bigger one. This one is good to put for UAE market and the Saudi Arabia market. So any customers from Middle East, welcome to send us an inquiry, and we're ready to do to pick up the right products with the right material, right packaging, everything. Okay, for you. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. Additionally, there is a laser marking on the service, so we can customize the logo according to your requirements. Yes, yeah, exactly. Very good. The next one I'm going to introduce to you is 726051. Yes, it's tiny square project. So like this. It's generally it's used in bathroom, toilets, and kitchen. Yes. It's called the balcony. Yes, balcony shop. And you can see the material, the size is only 8mm, but this one the outlet is only 45, 48, 47, or 40, 45mm. And this one the material we have different options, can be SS201, 304, 316, all available for you. And for the box, we can do the card box like this, and you can do whatever else. And this one the box for one of our good customers. So I can't show you today, but I'll show you good at home. Thank you so much. Well done. Let's come to the next one.